Welcome back to Usawa videos. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your files or your documents into Usawa. To upload your files or documents into Usawa, follow these simple steps. Go to e-files. Here you can check the history or the audit trail. You can upload your files and create new folder. To create new folder, for example, we want to create a new folder under top level folder. The first step is to click top level folder. Then click new folder. Enter the name of the folder. And click create folder. We can also create another folder under invoices by clicking on invoice folder. Click on new folder. Enter the name of the folder, 2023. Create new folder. We can create another folder under 2023 by clicking on the folder, that is 2023, add new folder. Now we can upload our files or documents. Click on the folder, for example, January. Then click upload file. Then select the privacy. Do you want to make it public or private? Then select the categories. Invoice. Select the date. Enter description. Then click add files. Select the file or document. Then click upload documents. Here you can delete your file. Send your invoices to your customer. Enter the customer email. Enter the subject, invoice. You can write your content. And send email. You can make this document or file your favorite by clicking on favorite. So let's check our favorite document folder. So we have this as our favorite document.